And in Colombia, a corruption scandal involving a top judge there has revealed the extent of corruption in the justice system. Natalia and Margarita now in Bogota with the latest.
A scandal on corruption involving Constitutional Court magistrate Jorge Pretel, who has been accused of asking for $190,000 in exchange for making a ruling in favor of the private company Fedupetrol, has brought the crisis in Colombia's justice system into the public eye. Following the scandal, magistrates have held meetings with representatives of the government, and also President Juan Manuel Santos has announced some measures during a nationwide televised speech Tuesday night. The president called on the Attorney General's office to rapidly advance in the current investigations so that not just Magistrate Pretel but any other magistrate that might be involved in the case take on their individual responsibilities. And this issue of individual responsibilities was something that the president really insisted on, as he emphasized that while individuals must be held accountable, institutions such as the Constitutional Court should be supported and respected. Equally important to be highlighted here is that analysts and even senators that are part of the government coalition and that Telesur have spoken to said that Pretel's case is just a single sign of a broader problem and, let's say, systematic crisis of justice in Colombia, which among others has to do with the lack of proper finance of the judicial branch. Let's remember that judges were recently on a 90-day strike demanding from the government better working conditions, but specifically in the case of Constitutional Court, where it's being at the center of the debate is the mechanism to appoint the magistrates of this court, which are currently chosen by the Senate. This, according to some senators and lawyers, is what has opened space for scandals such as Pretel's to occur, as magistrates are focused on paying the favors to those that elected them rather than doing their job. This has been labeled here in Colombia as the politicization of justice, and regarding this, President Santos announced that magistrates will not be chosen by the Senate any longer, but rather by their merits and their excellency in their career, which should be no less than 20 years from now on, according to the latest president decision. Natalia Margarita, Telesur, Bogotá.